Hey friends, Tim AUTRY here from Beaver Toyota with some amazing news for you. Once again this year we are going to be doing our Black Friday Silent Sale. And this year it's going to be bigger and better than ever. We literally have hundreds of vehicles outside for you to choose from. So how does it work? What you do is you show up on Thanksgiving Day. There will be no salespeople, there'll be no managers, no staff, nobody will be here. But what will be here are open gates and hundreds of vehicles for you to browse through. Each of those vehicles will have a hang tag in it with our silent sale pricing. These prices will be the lowest that we can ever sell that vehicle for. So, come on Thanksgiving Day, find your vehicle, see your price, and be back on Friday morning starting at 6 a.m. and be the first one to purchase that vehicle at that lowest price. To top it off, the first 25 customers who purchase on Black Friday will receive their choice of a 55-inch TV or an Apple iPad. Because these prices are so low, we do have to remove those prices by noon on Black Friday, so be here early because those prices are only good for 6 hours. Now, what if you're not in the market? You can still get paid. If you send me a referral and they purchase a vehicle on Black Friday, you get a check for $300. It's just that easy. You give me their name, their number. I'll set up a time with them. We'll schedule a visit. And if they buy from me on Black Friday, you get a check for $300. Last year, we sold 72 cars on Black Friday. Our customers got crazy deals and we paid out thousands in referral fees. This sale is going to be huge. Don't miss it.